Come here. Hey, Kyra, come here. Oh, wait, I can't see you. Tell everybody hi.
Hi.
So, you remember when Daddy pranked you and said he ate your candy? We're gonna get him back, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna do a prank on Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Yeah? Okay. So I'm gonna tell you what to do.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna say that Kam threw this into the TV. Okay? I'm gonna put it over here underneath the TV. So this is what the TV looks like. And guys, we're gonna say that Kam threw this into the TV screen. And I'm gonna put it right here to make it look like that's where it landed. You don't need that one. And then I'm going to put my phone in the tree, hide it there, so he doesn't see. Yes. Can you do what? No, you can hold that one. Okay? Hold it, just hold that one, okay? Let me get Kam.
But Daddy gonna prank us.
No, we're gonna prank Daddy.
Okay. But make sure you we didn't get me and you.
No, he's not gonna get us. We're gonna prank him, okay?
Okay.
Hey, alright. I'm gonna tell you to scream in a minute. Okay? You ready? Shh. 1, 2, 3. Scream. What happened? Oh, she's fine. Give her Kam. What happened? Kam threw the other half.
Oh, what happened to the TV?
He
Yo, what happened to the TV?
Kam threw the other half of this train at the TV. Well, he threw it and it hit the TV.
He threw the train at the TV.
Well, I don't know if he was throwing it purposely at the TV, but he threw it. And
You were supposed to be watching them.
I mean, we were just down here playing.
You were just playing. Don't break the TV.
Well, Kam threw it. That's what happened. That's all. I didn't think he would throw that, but he threw it. So
He threw what? What did he throw?
he threw the other half of this train. Come here, baby.
Now the TV is ruined.
You think that it can't be fit? Like, is it cracked?
It looks cracked to me. It's not big.
Hey. We'll fix it in a minute.
Who gonna fix the TV? Gosh.
I think it'll be okay, Daddy.
How is it gonna be okay? You what? You proof? This is a prank? That's not even funny, man.
Say that's for eating my candy on Halloween.
My candy. Did you do that?
Not funny at all. No one's here is laughing. No one's laughing here.
Say we got you. Come here.
We got you.
Come here.
I think Daddy gonna pick up.
No, Daddy's not gonna break us anymore because I think he's
Are you gonna pick up?
Dude, I thought you broke my TV. I'm not worried about a prank right now. I thought you broke my TV.
But are you gonna pick up?
This is not even real.
No, so
I say,
it's a YouTube channel. I just typed in broken TV on YouTube, and it just been playing for the last 7 minutes. Oh, okay. Gotcha. So you thought it was broken for real?
You gonna pick that?
What?
You gonna pick that?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to prank you now.
Daddy gonna pick us.
I'm over here sweating.
Daddy's not gonna prank us, okay?
Yet.
Oh man.
And you gonna pick that.
Kyra,
Turn that camera off.
Kyra, come here. Tell everybody. Step back. Say thanks for watching my prank.
Thank you for watching my prank.
Say bye.
Bye.
Hey KB kids, the question of the day is, how should KB dad prank Kyraboo? Comment down below and let us know.
And boy, Kyraboo, play with you.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.